Get what?
They're not sure what to say or they're not excited.
Hi, so today is going to be my third vlog. So what are we going to do today?
We're gonna hit up Price Chopper,
We're gonna go to Price Chopper and then
post office,
maybe post office,
maybe take a walk,
take a walk, maybe. Everything is maybe.
maybe the dollar store.
And also a dollar store too. A dollar store for what?
Christmas decorations,
Yeah, we're gonna get some ointment. Is that what they call?
ornaments.
What is ointment? Like the
It's like a
moisturizer.
so you put on your eyes.
We're gonna get some ornament and some decoration for our Christmas tree. So for the room too. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do today, right? That's it. Bye. Yeah, I ate my breakfast and I forgot to shoot, but I have the avocado. You can see it in the first vlog. And right now, I think in about 10 minutes, I'm gonna start exercise and then get my day going. Okay. I just finished my makeup.
Chai,
How did I look?
beautiful.
Okay, we're gonna go to
Price Chopper.
Price Shopper now. Okay, let's get dressed and get on the road.
Let's do it.
So usually I'll wear more makeup on the skin and lipstick, but right now we are on a lockdown, so I'm just wearing something like natural. I mean, today I'm just wearing like a sunscreen with powder on my face, but then I will still doing the eyebrow and then the eyes area because that's what people see anyway. So we just got back from Price Chopper. This is what we got. We got Doritos and some chips. We also got some eggs, ice cream, and then fried chicken. I usually have my cheat day on Saturday, but today I've just decided I will have my cheat day today. So I'm gonna have some chips right now and then make some like instant noodle in the evening. And also we're gonna make some like baked fries. It's like a healthy version of French fries, right?
gonna make some French fries.
So we're just washing it. Make sure all the dirt are gone. Okay, after you wash it, now we're gonna dry it with
Yep.
anything. Paper towel in half first.
Okay.
And then that will be the easiest way to cut it. Now you can just cut it like the size that you want. We like it very crispy. So it kind of make it like very small. Very, very small. Okay, so after we're done, we're just gonna go one by one like this. Oh, lay the fat side, right? And just cut it in the size that you want. We want it like a good size, not too big, not too small. And it's gonna come out like crispy. This is the fry after we cut it. I'm gonna put some olive oil in here and salt. Do you want pepper or no? So I'm gonna put some olive oil, salt, parsley, and some garlic powder.
Parmesan.
Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the olive oil. And next I'm gonna add some salt. Like that. Now we're gonna put the fries in the oven, and we're gonna put the timer on for about 45 minutes, okay?
Holy shit, it's hot.